Hi guys! Okay, so this is a quick recap video of the counter application that we made during lecture. So in case you needed to refresh your memory, I'm just going to quickly remake it for you guys. So here I've already dragged on a label, another label, and two buttons. So you can style it however you like. Remember, when you click on an element, you can go to the right side and under the attributes, you can edit everything from text color to background. And yeah, so I've already done all that. So now we will start writing the code for the functionality. So first, we should create two outlets for the two labels we have. I'll control drag over to our side. I'll make this one counter text label. This one can be num label. This is the one that we will change as we click the two buttons. So I have these two outlets. Oh, and remember, in case to split screen, you just press this button, or you can option click the file that you want to open anew on the side over here. Okay, let's continue. Okay, yes, we have our two labels here, so let's create our actions. So we need to create one for decrease and one for increase. You can either control drag from the buttons here, or sometimes if you misclick, it's sometimes easier to just go from the text over here. So this works too, just letting you know. So I'll make an action for the increase button called increase tapped. Yeah. And then same thing for decrease. I'll call it decrease tapped. Okay. So now we have all our outlets and actions in place, and we just need to implement the logic. So let's start off with a variable. Remember, it has to be outside of the functions so that all the functions within this class can access it. If you put in a variable over here, like if I did var count equals 0, then decrease tapped wouldn't be able to access it because it's inside increase tapped and outside of its scope. So we have to leave this outside, and I like to put it right under the IB outlets. So I'll put var count over here. And to start it off, we can load it in to the text of, this is called num label, right? So we can say num label dot text equals, and remember to evaluate count, we have to put the backslash here. We can copy and paste this here. And increase tab, what do we want to happen? We want this variable count to increase. So how we can do that is count is equal to count plus 1. But an easier way to say that, we can just say count plus equals 1. And then I copied this from earlier. Now you're setting this label to the new increase value, right? So now the count variable is set to your new value after adding 1, and the label should be updated after you click the button. We can copy and paste this since this is exactly what we're doing in decrease tapped. We are subtracting 1 instead. So same thing, we can do minus equals 1. And now this should work. I will run it, Command R. Let's see how it looks. So slow. Okay, looks pretty good. Increase. Yeah, we can keep going up. Decrease. Yay! And we can go into the negatives too. Yeah. There we go. So I hope this helps. Okay, so I hope this helped you guys out. Feel free to let us know if you have any issues, and yeah, we'll help you through it. Bye.